Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shagun Malik and I'm a first year student at Ramjas College, University of Delhi. In today's video, we will be having a college review of the most dignified college in the country, Hansraj College. In this video, we will be doing an in-depth analysis. We'll be covering up the cutoffs, seat metrics, placements, alumni network, and much more. Towards the end of this video, I will present you with a comparative study of the advantages and disadvantages of studying at this college. So make sure you check out the last part. And do not forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, now right back at the screen, now we shall begin our review session for Hansraj College, which is also known as Shah Rukh Khan Ka College. So here you can see some of the magnificent pictures of this campus. Just having a glance at these pictures will give you a positive vibe. And now we shall begin our journey of analyzing it further. So we will begin by stats and rankings. NIRF ranking is 9. So Hansraj College stands at 9th spot in the NIRF ranking. It has been accredited with A+ grade by NAC and it was established in 1948. 1948, just after independence. And जो colleges हमारे early 90s में establish हुए हैं, उनका क्या फायदा होता है? They provide you a very strong alum base. So that is an advantage in itself. Now, a quick review at the location. We all know that it is situated in North Campus, University of Delhi. And talking about the connectivity, the nearest metro station is the Vishwavidyalaya Yellow Line, and it is very close to the campus gate. What are the courses that this college offers? So, arts and commerce and science, you will get a plethora of courses for these streams. For arts and commerce, we have BCom honors, B honors economics, in English, history, Hindi, Sanskrit, and BA program. And talking about the science courses, we have BSc Honors Computer Science, Electronics, Chemistry, Botany, Physics, Zoology, Life Sciences, Physical Sciences, Mathematics, and Anthropology. So it's one of those rarest colleges which is offering a course in anthropology. So this is again a golden feather. Postgraduate courses, we have almost the same chunk of courses. We have commerce, English, Hindi, history, Sanskrit, anthropology, botany, chemistry, geology, mathematics, operational research, physics, and zoology. So whatever the course you want to pursue, you are completely free to do that, provided you have qualified the cutoff. Yeah, before moving on to the cutoffs, I think that we should have a glimpse at the seat metrics, like what is the student intake for this particular college. So we can see that this is the list which is provided by the college. And from this list, it is clearly evident that the maximum student intake is for BCom honors, which is 260 seats, which is a pretty good amount. And then it is followed by BA program and then further followed by BA Honors Economics. जो ये हमारे BCom program है, BA Honors Economics है, these are the most preferred courses. And now let's look at the thing that Hansraj is very famous for. It's soaring high cutoffs, sky high cutoffs. तो देखते हैं अगर हमारी जो लिस्ट थी पिछले साल 2020-2021 में, this is the first cutoff list, and for BA Honors Economics the cutoff was as high as 98.75. But this is not the highest cutoff of the college. The highest cutoff is backed by BCom Honors 99.25%. So if you are aspiring for Hansraj College and you want admission for your favorite course, which is BCom Honors, particularly for the commerce student, then you have to make sure that you get marks more than 99.25%, right? And for most of the other courses, we have the cutoff which is greater than 95%, except for Hindi honors, right? And Sanskrit honors. These two are the exceptional courses. अब आते हैं कॉलेज फीस की बात. काफी जो कॉलेज फीस होती है काफी अफोर्डेबल होती है, ठीक है, अनलाइक द प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. तो अगर हम लोग बीए प्रोग्राम की बात करें, बीए प्रोग्राम हमारी जो फीस होती है दैट इज 19,525 एंड यू हैव टू पे द एग्जाम फी ट्वाइस. एग्जाम फी होती है व्हेनेवर यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर एन एग्जाम यू हैव टू पे अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ फी व्हिच इज 510. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ दिस एंड द टोटल कम्स आउट टू बी 20,545. ये 545 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसको नोट कर लेना, ठीक है. Now moving on further, college fest. Yeah, all the DU colleges, they are known for their fest. Amazing, fantabulous, you know. The जो fest होते हैं वो काफी amazing होते हैं जितना मैंने सुना है. And for Hansraj, Confluence is the annual cultural fest of this magnificent college, and you know you can get the vibe of the fest just by listening to the fact that in the past years, stars like Honey Singh, Jassi Gill, and Diljit, they have already performed at this festival. तो यार फेस्ट की काफी जोरों शोरों से तैयारी होती है. जब फेस्ट होता है इट अट्रैक्ट्स thousands of students from other colleges as well. So काफी मजा आता है फेस्ट के टाइम में, पूरा अलग ही एनवायरनमेंट होता है. And as we have talked earlier that एडवांटेज क्या होता है, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1948. सो इसका जो एल्यूमिनाई नेटवर्क है यार वो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत ज्यादा कमेंडेबल है, वी कैन से. Now let's have a glimpse at some of those alumni. So सारे नहीं, we can have a look at some of the alumni of this renowned college. So first of all, we have Shah Rukh Khan. All of us are very well aware of with this face. He's also known as the King Khan of Bollywood. Next is Anurag Kashyap. Anurag Kashyap is an Indian film director, writer, editor, producer, and he's also the recipient of 4 Filmfare Awards. So you can just anticipate what kind of man he is. Next, we have Naveen Jindal. He's the chancellor of OP Jindal University and Kushal Tandon. I guess this face needs no introduction. So these were some of the notable alumni. आगे चलते हैं यार. Talking about the college societies, one another reason why Delhi University is famous is for the exposure and diversity. And the perfect place where you can get the maximum exposure is by joining the college societies. If you are interested in any of the domain or you want to explore any of the domain, college societies are the best place to go. And Hansraj has made sure that there is a society for each and every single interest that you have. And this is the proof. We have Pixels, which is the photography society. We have Kalakriti, which is the fine arts society. We have Marcus, which is the marketing society. Illuminati, the quizzing society of Hansraj. There are more. Wait. Debating society is there. Entrepreneurial cell is there. We have departmental societies. We have finance and investment cell. We have Enactus Hansraj, we have NSS, so there are a lot of them. Or if you want to go with extracurricular activities in parallel to your academics, so definitely you can join the society and get yourself fun. Top recruiters की बात करते हैं यार. After 3 years, when you will be done with your degree, after 3 or 4 years, when you will be done with your degree, तो कौन सी कंपनीज हैं जो आपके कैंपस में आ रही होंगी? So United Airlines, McKinsey and Company, Boston Consulting Group. Next we have D-Shaw and we have Big Four. Big Four, you can see that it is an acronym for the largest professional services, which include PwC, Deloitte, EY and KPMG. So ये सारी कंपनीज आ रही होंगी यार आपके कैंपस में. Now talking about the placements of the college, first of all, the fact has to be acknowledged that the placements are not same for all the courses, right? If you have a course like BCom honors or statistics honors or economics honors, then you are more likely to get a better placement as compared to the colleges like physics honors or chemistry honors, right? And this possibility is further deteriorated in courses of art. Still, अगर placements की हम लोग बात करें last year के, so the highest CTC stood at INR 20.5 lakh per annum, which is offered by D-Shaw, followed by Future First, a first-time recruiter offered a package of INR 12.4 lakh per annum, whereas the average package stood at INR 5.7 LPA, which is pretty commendable. Like 5.7 is a decent package if it is, and especially for a non-tech college. During the 2020 placements drive, 214 students participated, out of which 160 students were placed, achieving 70% of the placement. So you see that 70% of the students who applied for the placements were placed. A total of 115 companies participated in the recruitment process, among which 45% were the first-time recruiters and more than 185% offers were made. So, 45% of the companies, they were the first-time recruiters and 185 offers were made. So this was pretty much about the placements. अगर थोड़ा placements को और closely study करना है, we can just have the look at the statistics. So talking about what kind of companies were there. So we have analyst in IT, we have jobs for analyst in IT, marketing and sales, audit and finance, operations, consulting, this. And look, this is the stream-wise breakup of the students. Like 51% students were from commerce, which is the major chunk of the students, right? Next, the chunk was followed by arts, which is 27%, and then by science, which is 80%. So this is pretty much the scene of Hansraj College. Now, talking about the hostel, the college accommodates around 200 UG male students. Only male hostel is there. There's no hostel for female. It has a common room, a gym, and arrangements for outdoor and indoor games. Power backup is available. Medical aid hai. Dekho, Wi-Fi facility hai. And students needing hostel should apply separately for a prescribed form. Once you get the admission into the college, you will be circulated a form. You will have to fill it in a नाउ लाइब्रेरी का क्या सीन है यार. लाइब्रेरी ठीक है, मतलब जितना भी तुम्हें चाहिए होगा रिसोर्सेज पढ़ने के लिए, तुम्हारे पास्ट ईयर के एग्जाम, पास्ट ईयर के पेपर्स, कुछ जनरल्स और कोर्स रिलेटेड मटेरियल, वो सारा तुम्हें मिल जाएगा लाइब्रेरी में. बट स्टिल यू नो 1,35,000 titles and about 98 periodicals published in India and abroad, blah blah blah. And the best part is that National Digital Library, which is an initiative by the HRD Ministry, it is a huge collection of learning resources. Approximately 68 lakh books are there from primary to PG, so you can use it free of cost. And most college mein aake, most of the students, they prefer to read from PDF itself. So digital learning is more preferred. अदर फैसिलिटीज क्या यार, फैसिलिटीज काफी अच्छी प्रोवाइड करता है कॉलेज. आपको कंप्यूटर लैब्स मिल जाएंगी, साइंस लेबोरेटरीज मिल जाएंगी, प्लेग्राउंड है, इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स है, प्ले रूम्स है, एम्फी थिएटर है, लिफ्ट फैसिलिटी है, only electronic shooting range in university. The college has air conditioned or auditorium with a seating capacity of 500% and a seminar room with a seating capacity of 150. तो यार देख रहे हो facilities, infrastructure, all of them are really proper. And अगर infrastructure को यार rate करना हो, so I would give 4 out of 5. It's really good, the infrastructure. Well, another reasons why Hansraj is famous for is the lowest point. I guess most of us are aware of this point. And next is the wall. ये wall क्या होती है यार, जितने भी इनके एल्यूमिनाई होती हैं और एल्यूमिनाई होते हैं और जो भी उनके फेमस स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, राइट, उसको ये लोग लिखते हैं उसके ऊपर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फिर शाहरुख खान है, अम्मी जान कहती थी, राइट. सो दिस फॉर बादशाह, यहाँ पे सारे लोग के वही करे हुए. So guys, now it is the time to wrap up our discussion, to have a look at the major advantages and disadvantages of studying at this college. So guys, the Delhi University के जितने भी colleges होते हैं, उसमें जो जितने भी professors हैं Delhi University के, वो काफी, they are highly qualified and they are quite great scholars. You know, most of them, they will make the class very engaging. कुछ होते हैं जो कि बहुत बोर करके जाते हैं, बट यार नेग्लेक्टिंग देम. बहुत सारे जो मेजर प्रोफेसर्स होते हैं, दे आर क्वाइट क्वालिफाइड एंड दे विल मेक श्योर दैट दे मेक द कंटेंट वेरी एंगेजिंग विद यू. ठीक है. द ड्रामा सोसाइटी ऑफ हंसराज, द वर्क इज रियली अप्रिशिएटेड ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी, डिड वंडर्स एंड यू विल लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस सोसाइटी. और टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, आई टोल्ड यू दैट बहुत काफी अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है यार. कैंटीन काफी अच्छी है कॉलेज की, काफी साफ सुथरी कैंटीन है. कैंपस ओपी एकदम, ठीक है, ग्रीनरी है कैंपस में, सुंदर है, अच्छी वाइब्स आती है कैंपस में. स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज यार आपको इंडोर की भी मिल जाती है, आउटडोर की भी मिल जाती है. रैगिंग फ्री एनवायरनमेंट होता है, रैगिंग आजकल वैसे होती नहीं है. तो ठीक है. सीनियर्स काफी हेल्पफुल है यहाँ के, ठीक है. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन जस्ट अप्रोच देम और वो डेफिनेटली आपको हेल्प करेंगे. फिर है यार एलम बेस काफी तगड़ा है इन लोगों का, मतलब 1948 में स्टैब्लिश हुआ था, तो ऑफ कोर्स स्ट्रॉन्ग होना ही था. और फिर जो क्राउड है यार, जो मतलब जो बेस्ट ऑफ द क्राउड यहाँ पे, दिस इज द कॉलेज वेयर यू विल विटनेस द बेस्ट क्राउड. ठीक है, काफी अच्छी डाइवर्सिटी मिलेगी. लेकिन नथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड कम्स विदाउट इट्स फेयर शेयर ऑफ चैलेंजेस. अगर कुछ एडवांटेजेस हैं तो कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हैं. अब डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है, जितना मैंने बात करा स्टूडेंट से, आई केम टू नो दैट द सोसाइटीज दे लैक प्रॉपर रिसोर्सेज. एंड अगर आपको, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम देयर, you will have to take the initiative all by yourself, right? You cannot expect that, okay, this is what I will get from here. You have to go to the society with zero expectations, right? So ये थोड़ा societies का थोड़ा disadvantage है. एंड थोड़ा सा डिसएडवांटेज है ऑफ द स्टूडेंट कल्चर. जितना कि मैंने रिसर्च किया, मुझे ये पता लगा दैट देयर इज अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन और व्हाट. इट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कोर्स एंड लोकेशन वेयर यू कम फ्रॉम. सो कोर्स, जैसे कि हमारे कोर्सेज होते हैं हिंदी ऑनर्स या संस्कृत ऑनर्स, दे आर अ बिट underrated, मतलब उनको same level से treat नहीं किया जाता as with other courses. And location where you come from, for example, if you come from a village and you are not as good in your communication skills, so maybe you will be pointed out, you will feel a bit uncomfortable in that environment. So ये कुछ disadvantages थी, और यार ये इतनी सारी advantages है. The final verdict or the final conclusion जो इस discussion को हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं, that is that काफी अच्छा college है. तो अगर आपको first cut off में मिल रहा है, so definitely you should not miss this opportunity. बाद में आप change कर सकते हैं यार, but if you are getting, तो लपक के ले लेना है college. ठीक है? This was all about, I think that बहुत सारा हमने discuss कर लिया. That's it. So guys, this was all about Hansraj College. If you still have any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, you can drop them down in the comment section. I'll try and address all of them. So yeah, this was it. And once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. We'll meet again with another video, so stay tuned.